Are you tired of spending your precious weekends scrubbing floors and dusting shelves? Meet Aloha Maids, your go-to solution for deep cleaning that leaves other services in the dust. Listen to what our satisfied customers have to say. Karen B shares, Ethel and Lucy did a super fantastic job on the deep cleaning. The house is for sale, and we wanted it to look its best. They even sent us pictures before and after the cleaning. Jerry T chimes in with her experience. I scheduled a deep clean, and Aloha Maids did a great job. My folks were thrilled. They tackled rooms, floors, bathrooms, and the kitchen with meticulous care. I inquired on Wednesday, and by Friday, the house was spotless. Big thanks to Makola and Nila. And it's not just one-time experiences. Nikki G praises, Sandy A and her crew do an amazing job every time. From bi-weekly house cleaning to quarterly deep cleaning, nothing goes untouched. It saves me so much time, and the depth of their clean is incredible. Faith couldn't be happier. Maurice and Rosa from Aloha Maids are super good. They took their time and deep cleaned our whole house, making it look brand new. Friendly, efficient, and detail-oriented. They left our house sparkling clean. We will definitely use them again. At Aloha Maids, we pride ourselves on delivering exceptional cleaning services that our customers can trust and rely on. So why wait? Let us transform your home into the pristine space you've always wanted. Choose Aloha Maids, the only agency with Aloha Spirit.